Hi guys, Ianosi here, back with a Didgeridoo tutorial. This time it's a 2 weeks challenge of a rhythm, and for this all you need is a Didgeridoo and your motivation to do it for 2 weeks. Let's get to it. Last week I was looking for an idea, new things to practice on my Didgeridoo, new things to talk about in the future tutorials. I will be giving workshop, hopefully, in the Didgeridoo between 28th and 30th of June. So I hope to see you there. And I saw a new video by Master Dubravko Lapaine, who a big inspiration to me, who is an amazing player and who makes the best didgeridoos in the world. That's what I think. And so he posted up a video that I will show you.
You're in for the game. It goes like this.
And I put it on my loop station just to make my life easier, you see, on my loop station. And here it is. It's playing at 99 BPMs. And it goes like this. You see, the idea is to play it along with a metronome, which is best. You can also do it in your head and count 29. So that's 7, 7, 7, 8. After seeing the video, I made one myself where I was practicing this rhythm, and the idea is to do a new one next week where I would give you more feedback. You can see the video of last week, which I put following this. So stay tuned. Bye bye. The looper never stops. We have to stop it ourselves. The rhythm in 7, 7, 7, 8. I don't know how to count it on my fingers, but that's it. Bye bye.